Hello, welcome to the IdeaForge Fabrication Request How-To video. Today, I will cover how to submit a fabrication request for the IdeaForge machine shop. First, head to the IdeaForge website and click on the Fabrication button. You will see that you can submit a fabrication request for 3D printing, laser cutting, machine shop, and wood shop. There's also an FAQ at the bottom if you have any questions. Going to a machine shop fabrication request, you can see that this is a multi-step process. The first thing that you will need to do is set up a preliminary meeting with Greg Potts or Chase Logston, who both work in the machine shop. You can set up either a 15-minute or 30-minute initial meeting based on how far along your design development is. Following that meeting, you'll receive instructions from either Greg or Chase on whether you need to have another preliminary meeting or whether you can make some changes and move forward with a final design review. You can click here to schedule a design review with either Greg or Chase. Once you have had that final design review, you are able to submit your fabrication request. When you submit your request, make sure that you have your 3D model and drawing files ready to go, and that you are prepared to drop your materials off in the assembly area at the IdeaForge. During your design review, you'll discuss what sort of material you need with Greg or Chase. So you click here to submit a fabrication request. And then go to machining, and you will see where you can put in all of the relevant information. You put in your contact information, and you can click this plus button to add a second contact information. This is in case we need to get in touch with you quickly about a question for your part while it's being machined. Here, you can enter your requested completion date. Please be reasonable. Realize that it takes some time to machine parts, so same day requests, not reasonable. Department, course, purpose of request. We ask for this information so we understand who's using our shop and so that we can be better prepared to meet their needs. File upload requirements. As we discussed, for a machine shop request, you'll need both your CAD file and the drawings, so you can zip those files together and upload them together. Here you put in your material information and be specific. What type of aluminum or steel or whatever other material you're using are you using? Description of request, just describe what sort of part we're making for you and how it fits into your overall design. You can add extra comments here, any other information that you would like us to know. And then at the end, you press submit request. You'll get a notification email with a tracking number, and then you'll get email notifications anytime the status of your job changes, or if we have any questions that we need you to answer. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us at the IdeaForge or find more information on our website.